This is a beautiful recreation of the tomb in Beni Hasan of Khnumhotep, who was a vizier under Amenemhat III. Watch how it gets full of color. Vivid scenes, fowling and fishing, collecting taxes, all around the walls. Look at this. Look at this. The pilgrimage to Abydos was also very popular. The idea of trapping and hunting animals was an expression of establishing ma'at, order and balance. Now look over here. Over here is the famous scene. Actually, the top row, they seem to be hunting animals. Ibexes were very popular in the second row. They were kept as pets as well. The bow and arrow, famous hunting scenes, and with the trusty dog. There are lots of dogs in this tomb too. Pet dogs used as companions for hunting. These people are possibly the descendants of Joseph, the predecessors, the ancestors of the Israelites, coming in to Egypt for the first time with their herds, their multicolored coats, and even their passports. The Canaanites. This is in and around 2000, 2100 BCE, 2000, 1900 BCE is when these people from the northeast are coming into Egypt. And this is this beautiful exhibit on the tomb of Khnumhotep.